Hi, today we have the last activity of activity sheet number 1 of grade 6. අද අපිට හයි ශ්‍රේණියේ පළමු නිබන්ධනයේ අවසානම ක්‍රියාකාරකම තියෙනවා. මුලින්ම අපි බලමු මොකද්ද මේ ක්‍රියාකාරකම කියලා. First of all, let's see what this activity is about. All right. Here in this activity, you have been given 10 letters. There what you have to do is you have to simply write the sounds of these letters. තියෙන්නේ මේ දීලා තියෙන අකුරු 10 ශබ්ද ටික සිංහලෙන් ලියන්න. කොහොමද මේවා ප්‍රොනවුන්ස් කරන්නේ කියලා. Before going to the activity, I thought of discussing the sounds of all the letters in the alphabet. Right? Alphabet එකේ තියෙන අකුරු 26ෙම ශබ්ද ටික කතා කරොත් හොඳයි පුංචි දරුවොත් එක්ක කියලා මම හිතුවා. Let's jump into that first. All right? Okay, first letter A. A letter has the sound of A as in apple. Next one, B. B letter has the sound B as in bat. All right. C. C letter has the sound K as in cup. Next one, D. D. Dog. Next one, letter E. Can you guess the sound it has? What පුළුවන් දෙකේ තියෙන ශබ්දය කියන්නේ? E letter එක උනාට that letter has the sound A as in elephant. Elephant කියන්නේ මුලට එන අකුර E අකුර. ඉතින් අපි ශබ්ද කරන්නේ elephant කියලා. It has the sound A. Next one, F. F. Fish. Next one, G letter. It has the sound G as in gun. Next one, H. H. Hat. Next one, I. It has the sound E as in igloo. Next letter, J. It has the sound J as in jug. Next one, letter K. It has the sound K as in kettle. Next letter L. It has the sound L as in lamp. Next one, letter M. It has the sound M as in mango. All right. Next one, N. N. Net. O. O. Orange. Next one, P. P. Pineapple. Next letter, Q. It has the sound Q, as in queen. Next letter, R. R. Rabbit. S. S. Sun. Next one, T. T. Table. Next letter, U. Can you guess the sound it has? Yes, it has the sound A, as in umbrella. Next letter, V. V. Van. Next letter, W. It has the same sound W. There is a slight difference between these two letters. We will talk about them later. As grade 6 students, you just know that they have the same sound. Next letter, X. It has the sound X, as in xylophone. Next letter, Y. Y, as in yellow. The last one is Z. It has the sound Z, as in zero. Alright, by now, I think you have a general idea about the sounds of all the letters in the English alphabet. මම හිතන සාමාන්‍ය දැනුමක් හොයාගන්න ඇති පුතේ අකුරු 26 ශබ්ද ගැන. Right? Now, I think it's time for us to get into the activity now. Alright, the first one, D. It has the sound D. Next one, L. It has the sound L. Next one, G. It has the sound G. Next, I. It has the sound E. Next one, F. It has the sound F. Next one, J. It has the sound J. Next letter, E. It has the sound A. Next letter, A. It has the sound A. Next letter, K. It has the sound K. And also the last letter, C. It also has the sound K. Alright, now I think you have got 10 out of 10 for this simple activity, right? So if you are new to my video channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get the video as soon as I upload them. And if you find these activities useful, please like and share with the friends, especially in grade 6. Okay. With that, we come to the end of this today's activity. Until we meet next time with an interesting activity. Bye.